Hi, Michael here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the update of January 23, 2023. This is Monday, just over 3 p.m. Brussels time, which means that European markets are open and US not yet. And actually, China will stay closed today because of the new Lunar New Year. Um, this is the day after the weekend. We only always have news from the US on Tuesday, as they will open later than Europe. So on Monday is always a nice time to give some feedback on the catching up and cleaning up that we've been doing over the weekend, and that always gives nice surprises. Two actually, or if you want to look at it another way, 12. We're going to add five stocks to the watch list today. Very exciting ones. And in the review of the sweet spot, we have a top spread of one of the stocks there currently of 45.7%. So I think that's pretty exciting news. Let's get into it. Europe opened green today after also a positive closure of the US last Friday, which means this is a third week in a row of very strong performance of the markets worldwide in the beginning of this year, with only one day, last Tuesday, where things were a bit weaker. So the sentiment is definitely positive there. Um, Nevertheless, we see positive signs in Germany and UK around the inflation, but it's something that it's a monster that can turn around any time and any day. So we need to be vigilant there and not get carried away too much. Let's have a look at the stocks that we've identified over the weekend that are worthwhile adding to the watch list here. And these are stocks that over the next few days we'll be seeing more of. ZLab. ZLab here with a last closing price of past Friday of 45.53, first resistance of 47.77, which gives us a nice healthy spread of 4.92. Not high enough to earn a space in the sweet spot area, but still good to have identified this stock because we may see more of that coming shortly. The next one is SWKS. There we have it, Skyworks. Negative spread here, as by the time we've entered this stock here, we've already broken that resistance. No worries. We just need to keep an eye on this over the next couple of days. If this will continue to rise and give an opportunity for a higher first resistance. It also could be that it drops. It drops again below this first resistance. So nothing much to be said here, other than that we need to keep an eye on this one um, and see what happens there. Third one, VLRS. There we have it, Volaris Aviation. Same one as the others. A nice spread, 4.36%. Not a top runner, definitely not a place in the sweet spot at this moment, but one that is looking at a very, very healthy rally on the horizon. Let's keep an eye on that one. Next one, if I remember well, Ternium. Yes, I do remember well. This is a different story here, huh? Ternium. Base materials, mostly metals, if I remember well. Last closing price of 37.7. First resistance at 44.95, which gives us a spread of 19.23%. These are the ones that make us happy and that we're looking for every day. We will see when we review the watch list later that this will probably not be on the first place, but it will be from the 8 that we have or so, or 7, I can't remember. Definitely be in the higher range. Very nice discoveries here. Titanium. Last one to share that we've added to the watch list here, MFA financials. Obviously, I need to do that here. MFA financials, and there we have it already. Nice addition to the watch list. No addition to the sweet spot, 4.03%. So this is hovering around and towards to the first resistance here. Just a matter of keeping an eye on it and see what's going to happen there in the near future. To end, as usual, let's have a look at the sweet spot, which I remind you are those stocks with a rating of accumulate or buy and a spread of at least 10%. There we've sorted them. Should be 8 of them according to the dashboard. File is fairly up to date. We've processed most of the upgrades from hold to accumulate. There's only one left there, maybe because of the recent refresh of data. And here we have them indeed, the 8 records in the sweet spot, ranging with spreads from 10.8% up to, we've mentioned it already, Eco Petrol, 45.7%. This is quite amazing, and this gives us a very comfortable feeling for the upcoming week. If we're able to sell something and free up budget, there are plenty of opportunities here. Here we've got the Ternium that we've identified over the weekend already. Most of the other ones we already know. The lowest one in the sweet spot is actually Raymond James, but this is a stock that I like very much because it's been performing consistently well over the past 1.5 years. I think at some point actually last year we've bought and sold it as well. With this, I come to the end of the update for today. Again, thank you very much for your attention. I think today was a very nice results. And tomorrow we'll have again an update of the first trading day in the US as well. Feel free to subscribe and every now and then to like these videos. It will help the channel to develop, and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you very much, and we'll talk tomorrow.